In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your RBC debit card online. Now, you haven't heard this RBC card. Do take note that this is just a sample and this is not a valid card. So we have in here our card number, we have in here our expiration date, as well as your name right there. On the back of your card, you should be able to find your CVV. So if you have it and you want to use it online, you have different options in order to use it. First, you can add it onto your Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Just simply hover your actual card into the wallet and allow it to be added. You can also scan it manually in order to add it, and you can use it to actually pay for online purchases that accepts Apple Pay. Another option that you can do is if you have the checkout page, you can just input right here your details. For the card holder name, enter your name, and for the card number, get this number right here and add it in here. Enter right here expiration and enter your CVV and then click on pay and you should be able to use it online. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.